Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Purple color, and the next one is white color exactly. Kids, the next one is brown color. Brown color, dark pink color. Dark pink color. Yeah, exactly. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is yes, light green color. Stay with us. The next one is black color. Black color. Light pink color exactly. Light pink color. Orange color. Yeah. Kids, the next one is silver color. Stay with us. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Red color. Red color. And the next one is blue color. Blue color. Kids, the last one is dark green color. Orange color. Now we're writing alphabets A. First we're writing capital letter alphabets A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow. And now we're using the color of yellow. And draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Dark pink color. Dark pink color, and writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H. I. Now we are writing I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker. Now we are opening the color of dark green color. Stay with us. K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. Stay with us. M. M for mango. Light pink color. Now we are using the color of light pink. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. And the last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, thank you so much for watching.